Hi guys, today I will show you my face reveal. So I'm in my room in Animal Jam. I'm going outside, but because I'm planning to face reveal, then I do it. No sounds will be your here. No sounds, right? Because I'm in a headset. Okay, today I will show you my face. It's called face reveal. This is my house. I will show you my house. This is my garden. Sorry, I'm in a cough. This is my garden. This is a pet bee. This is my garden. This is our garage. Bike. And this is my play. The cloud. This is my dining room with a fireplace and a candy. And this is our CR. This is the toilet. And this is the bed. And my room is here. This is my bed. That's not my closet. This is my clothes, and this is my crafting table study. And this now, what are you waiting for? Let's see. Hi guys, it's me Hazel. I'm a little bit too weird my face, but thanks for watching. No. Too short. So this is my. I'm back from. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Let's go to the pillow. So many guys over here. This guy is looking for me. Okay. Hi, hello, from Animal Jam. This is Ayel, the face reveal. It's spinning. Okay, this is my. I'll show you. This is my brother's computer. There's a printer. My name sounds with the shower. I like that one. So, thanks for watching all my videos. Please, if you subscribe me, thanks so much. I'm the first subscriber. I'm the first YouTuber. This is my first. This is my. I think it's third or fourth. So thank you.